Hi guys, welcome to Graphic Island. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to distribute objects equally around the circle. So let's get started. First, select ellipse tool and draw an ellipse. Now select this and click on direct selection tool and click on upper answer point and you'll get the option of convert. Choose the first option. Now select this point. Press and hold shift and select this point and use downward arrow in your keyboard and drag downwards to get this shape. Okay. Now fill with gradient. Click on the gradient option and choose color. Okay, I'm selecting this color. Then now select ellipse and draw a circle. And for circle, select this radial options. Circle, choose this radial option. Okay. Now select both and align horizontally. Now select this upper object and press R in your keyboard to get this center point. After getting center point, press and hold Alt key and select the center and drag to the center of the circle and give the angle as 40 and copy. So now press Ctrl and D in your keyboard and duplicate the object around the circle. Now select all, go to object and group it. Okay. Let me show you one more uh, distribution. Create a circle, change the color, different color. Choose this color and that color. Okay. Now draw a circle. Now press R in your keyboard and get the center. After getting center, press and hold Alt key and drag the center to the center of the circle and use the angle as 30 and copy it. Press Ctrl D in your keyboard and duplicate the object around the circle. Select all, go to object and group it. Thank you guys watching this video and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.